Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. Today topic is nomenclature of alkenes. In nomenclature of alkenes, we are naming any alkene. So the following rules are used for naming alkenes. The first one is determine the parent name by selecting the longest chain. Determining the parent name by selecting the longest chain that contains the double bond. So the general parent name are as follows. If in alkenes one double bond is present, in two double bonds are present, alka-triene three double bonds are present, and alka-tetraene four double bonds are present. The longest chain containing the functional group double bond is numbered in a direction that gives the functional group the lowest possible number. It is the second rule. The second rule is, what is second rule for naming alkenes is the longest continuous chain containing the functional group double bond is numbered in a direction that gives the functional group the lowest possible number. So, designate the position of double bond by using the number for the first carbon atom of the double bond. For example, see here, look at this example. In this carbon skeleton containing 4 carbon atoms, the double bond is like here. So, in the first rule is we are choosing longest continuous chain, but we are numbering as lowest number to the double bonded carbon atom. So the numbering is like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So the double bond between first carbon and second carbon. So the name is, the IUPAC name for this skeleton is 1-butene. 1-butene. But means 4 carbon atoms and ene means double bonded carbon. That means one double bond is present. That is alkene. In this example, like here, so the numbering is like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The continuous chain containing 6 carbon atoms. But we are naming lowest possible number given to the double bonded. So 3-hexene signifies that double bond is present between carbon 3 and carbon 4. And the third rule is for naming alkenes is if the parent child must contain functional group. That means multiple bonds are. So, in regardless of the fact whether it also denotes the longest continuous chain of carbon or not. Look at this example. See here. This is a carbon skeleton. So, the longest continuous chain has 8 carbon atoms. So, but the longest continuous chain containing double bond has 6 carbons. So, hence the parent name of the compound is hexene. But we are numbering as like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1 hex. And the fourth rule for naming alkenes is if the chain has substituents or present, if the chain contains substituents, it is still numbered in the duration that gives the functional group the lowest possible number. Look at this example. Longest continuous chain has 6 carbons, but the substituents are methyl substituent is present, but we are numbering multiple bonds, the longest chain containing lowest possible number to the double bonded carbon atom. So we are starting numbering this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the IUPAC name is like this 5-methyl hex 2-ene, because the double bond is between second carbon and third carbon. So we are naming alkenes, the lowest number is given to the double bonded carbon atom. So 5-methyl hex 2-ene. See here, look at this example also. In this carbon skeleton containing 7 carbon atoms, but the lowest number is like this. So the methyl group is present between third carbon and the double bond is present between third and second carbon. So the IUPAC name is like this, 3-methyl heptadeciene. And the next rule for naming alkene is, if a chain has more than one substituents are present. If the chain contains more than one substituents, the substituents are cited in alphabetical order. So the order is like this in alkanes, same as alkanes. So like here, look at this example. See here, the IUPAC name is 3,6-dimethyl octethreene. That means the numbering is like left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The double bond is between third carbon and fourth carbon. Third carbon and fourth carbon. So the methyl 3-ene. 3,6-dimethyl octethreene. And the next rule for naming alkenes is, if the same number for the double bond is obtained both directions. The correct name is, what is the correct name for the following compound? If the same number for the double bond is present in both directions, so the correct name is that contains lowest substituent numbers like 6-ethyl, 4-methyl octafluorine, because in the lowest set of numbers, ethyl in alphabetical order, ethyl is first present. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this carbon long chain containing 8 carbons. So oct. And double bond is present between 4 and 5. That means octafluorine. And the substituents are ethyl substituents and methyl substituent. That means the same number for the double bond is between the substituents are present. So the lowest set is first. That means 3-ethyl, 5-methyl octafluorine. Not 6-ethyl, 4-methyl octafluorine is wrong. But the answer, IUPAC name of this carbon skeleton is 3-ethyl, 5-methyl octafluorine. And the next point is, if both directions lead to the same number for the functional groups, that means same number of double bonds are present, and the same low numbers for the one or more substituents, then these substituents are ignored and the direction that gives the lowest number to one of the remaining substituents are chosen. Like this. The carbon skeleton is like this. We are numbering like here. So in this carbon chain, long chain containing 8 carbon atoms, and the substituents are bromine, methyl substituent. So the double bond is present between 1, 2, 3, 4. The double bond present between 4th carbon and 5th carbon. So octafluorine. Next, substituents. The prefix is bromine. So it is in the position, second position. So 2-bromo and 4-ethyl, 7-methyl octafluorine is the IUPAC name of this skeleton. These are rules for naming alkenes and nomenclature of alkenes. Please subscribe and share and comment.